Number 16. Run out of time. It means to have no more time left to complete something.
We ran out of time during the exam. We ran out of time during the exam. Hurry up, we're running out of time. Hurry up, we're running out of time. She ran out of time to finish her speech. She ran out of time to finish her speech.
Number 17. Run a story. It means to publish or broadcast a news report.
The newspaper decided to run a story on corruption. The newspaper decided to run a story on corruption. They ran a story about the local election. They ran a story about the local election. Why did the channel run that story tonight? Why did the channel run that story tonight?
Number 18. Save money. It means to keep money instead of spending it.
She tries to save money for future needs. She tries to save money for future needs. Saving money now can help you later. Saving money now can help you later. They opened a bank account to save money. They opened a bank account to save money.
Number 19. Save time. It means to use less time to accomplish a task.
Shopping online can save time. Shopping online can save time. He saved time by taking shortcuts. He saved time by taking shortcuts. Using shortcuts in the menu saves time. Using shortcuts in the menu saves time.
Number 20. See a film on television? It means to watch a movie that is being broadcast on TV.
We saw a great film on television last night. We saw a great film on television last night. They often see films on television on weekends. They often see films on television on weekends. She saw an old film on television and loved it. She saw an old film on television and loved it.